You spend money on ads, maybe tried a bit of SEO, posted on social media for a few weeks, and nothing happened. So you come to the conclusion that digital marketing just doesn't work. I hear this every single week, and I'm going to tell you right now, it wasn't the marketing that failed, it was the approach. By the end of this video, you'll know the 4 biggest reasons digital marketing fails flat for small businesses and exactly what to do differently so you actually start seeing some results. Number 1, you didn't have a strategy. So here's the first question I always ask. What was your plan? And 9 times out of 10, there wasn't one. There were tactics, for sure. A Google ad here, a Facebook post there, maybe a blog that got written once and never again. But tactics without a strategy is like throwing darts blindfolded. You might hit something, but probably not. A proper digital marketing strategy starts with clear goals. Not, I want more customers, but something specific and measurable. Something like, I want 20 inquiries a month from Google by end of September. Then you work backwards from that. Who's your ideal customer? Where are they spending time online? What problems are they trying to solve? Once you answer these questions, you can actually pick the right channels and create content that speaks directly to these people. Without that foundation, you're just guessing. Number 2, your website wasn't ready. Here's one thing that catches a lot of people out. You can run the best ads in the world, but if your website is slow, confusing, or looks like it was built in 2012, people are going to leave. Your website is your digital shopfront. If someone walks past and the lights are off and the door's jammed, they're not coming in. Before you spend a penny on marketing, make sure your site loads fast, works properly on mobile, and makes it that simple for someone to get in touch or buy from you. Sort out the basics like having an SSL certificate, clean page URLs, and a proper sitemap so Google can actually find you. Get this right first, and everything else you do works harder. Point number 3, you gave up too soon. This is the big one. Most businesses expect results within a couple of weeks, and when the phone doesn't start to ring, they pull the plug. But here's the reality. Paid ads can bring in traffic quickly, yes, but SEO and content marketing, that's a 3 to 12 month game. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Now here's the bit most people completely miss. The businesses that win online aren't the ones with the biggest budgets. That's right. They're the ones that stick with it. They show up consistently, they publish useful content, they tweak their ads based on what the data tells them, and they keep going when it feels like nothing's happening. Because underneath the surface, momentum is building, and when it kicks in, it really kicks in. Number 4, you weren't measuring the right things. The last piece of the puzzle is data. If you're not tracking what's actually happening, you've got no idea whether your marketing is working or not. And I don't mean checking how many likes your post got. I mean proper metrics, website traffic, where it's coming from, how many people are filling in your contact form, what your cost per lead looks like. Tools like Google Analytics or GA4 give you all this for free. When you track the right numbers, you can see exactly what's pulling its weight and what needs changing. That's how you stop wasting money and start making smarter decisions. Digital marketing isn't a guessing game. When you got the data in front of you, that's how you stop wasting money and start making smarter decisions. Digital marketing isn't a guessing game, and when you've got the data in front of you. So if you've tried digital marketing and it didn't work, don't write it off. Write a proper strategy, fix your website, give it time, and measure what matters. If you want help putting all this together, head over to sfdigital.co.uk and let's have a chat.